Hi J247, it's really lovely to meet you all. My name is Lydia and I'm here today because I thought it would be brilliant for us to all learn a brand new dance routine together. And maybe later on, after we've learned the routine, we can put on a performance maybe for our parents or for anybody in our household who wants to watch. That would be really cool. So hopefully you have warmed up a little bit. Maybe you've done some stretching with Major Stretch. If not, maybe take a few seconds now to quickly stretch and shake it out and get warm, ready to dance. Also, make sure you've got a little bit of space around you. If you're in your living room, maybe you can ask a grown-up to help you move some things out of the way so you can dance. Or maybe you're in your bedroom and you can learn your dance in your bedroom or in your garden. In your garden would be fantastic. Or, like me, in a field. Great. Without further ado, let's get into the routine. Okay, so hopefully you have all got a little bit of space around you. You're feeling nice and warmed up and ready to dance. So let's begin learning the routine. So the song starts with a little bit of music where you can dance however you want. You can click your fingers, you can clap your hands, you can turn, or you can jump. You can do whatever you like, and then the song starts. So it starts off, I was lost with a broken heart. So we are going to make a heart shape like this with our hands, and then we're going to break it. So we're going to go 1, 2, and then we're going to make a sad face because the heart's broken. And we're going to look down, but then we're going to raise our hands and our head and smile. So let's put that together. I was lost with a broken heart. You picked me up. Did you all get that? So you might have noticed that as you're doing this, the next line is you picked me up, and then the line after that is and now I'm set apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide that way. So we're going to take a big step to the side and we're going to slide the other foot in. Now, as we're doing that, we're going to use our hands and our arms to do a big sweep like this. So all together, it should look like this. Did you all get that? Are you all with me so far? Excellent if you are. Let's go from the top. I was lost with a broken heart. Pick me up, now I'm set apart. Okay, the next bit is from the ash I am born again. So after you've done your sweep to the side, you're going to do 2 more sweeps. So you're going to step and slide this way, and then you're going to step and slide the other foot in this way. And as you do that, you're going to use this hand and you're going to do a big sweep that way, and then a big sweep this way using this hand. Does that make sense, J247? Hope you are with me so far. So let's go from the top. I was lost with a broken heart. You picked me up, now I'm set apart. From the ash I'm born again. Did you all get that? Hopefully you did. If not, you can always rewind the video back and watch it again so that you can make sure you've got it. So, if you're ready to continue, the next bit is forever safe in the Saviour's hands. So we go 1 hand with a fist, 2 hands with a fist to make a cross. So it goes like this. Forever safe in the Saviour's hands. Then we are going to do 6 marches on the spot, starting with this leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do that with the arms. Forever safe in the Saviour's hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, excellent. Now on the 6th march, we want to do this with our hands. So because the words go, you You are more than my words could say, I think. Hopefully I've got that right. So let's go from that section. Forever safe in the Saviour's hands. You are more than my words could say. I'll follow you, Lord, for all my days. So the next line is, I'll follow you, Lord, for all my days. So we're going to go marching round in a circle like this. Are you guys with me so far? Let's go from the top. I was lost with a broken heart. You picked me up, now I'm set apart. From the ash I am born again. Forever safe in the Saviour's hands. You are more than my words could say. I'll follow you, Lord, for all my days. Amazing! I hope you have all got that so far. It can be a bit tricky with this bit, but I'm sure you will get it in the end. Okay, so the next bit's quite fun. So we are now going to do some very long, slow walks, crisscrossing our legs like this. And as we do that, we're going to draw a path with our hands. So it goes kind of like this. Ooh, try and keep your balance. It's not easy. And you're going to follow your hands with your eyes. And then you're going to go BAM! So you're going to jump out with your arms and your legs like this. So let's go from the top all the way up until there. And then we would have learned the first verse of the song. You're all doing so well. Okay, let's go from the top. I was lost with a broken heart. You picked me up, now I'm set apart. From the ash I'm born again. Forever safe in the Saviour's hands. You are more than my words could say. I'll follow you, Lord, for all my days. Fix my eyes, following your ways. Forever free in unending grace. Oh, I hope you all got that. Okay, well done everybody. So it is now time to learn the chorus, the best bit. So we have finished like this, and then we're going to drop our arms and we're going to do 3 points. 2 to the front and 1 to the sky, to God. So we're going to go, you are. Did you get that? Okay, so after we've finished there, we're going to jump 3 small little jumps backwards. So be careful not to bump into anybody. So, you are my freedom. And then we're going to keep jumping, but we're going to raise our arms like this. And we're going to do that twice. Okay? So let's go from the top. You are my freedom. We lift you higher, lift you higher. Did you get that? You can always rewind it and try again. So the next part is exactly the same. We're going to jump our legs out like this, and then we're going to do 3 points again. Your love, your love, your love, never ending. Oh, oh, oh. So we do this once, and then we're going to do a big jump forwards. Bam! Like that, with our legs apart and our arms shoot straight out with fists in front of us like this. And we do that on You Are Alive. Okay, so let's go from your love, your love. Your love, your love, your love, never ending. Oh, oh, oh. You are alive. Did you guys get that? If you did, good, brilliant. Let's keep going. So, you are alive. We're going to do 2 punches in front of us. So, this arm first, in, us, to make a cross like this. So, one more time, in, us. And then we're going to raise that cross in front of our face like this. Nothing can. So let's go from the big jump forwards. Ready? Oh, oh, keep going. So we're going to do another one of our slides that way. So we're going to slide our feet together, and then we're going to do another slide that way. Slide our feet together. But as we're doing that, we're going to drop our hands and cross. Drop our hands and cross. So we finish like this. We're going to drop our hands and slide this way and then cross. And then we're going to drop our hands, slide this way and cross. Okay, so let's go from the first cross. Nothing can take your place. Well done, guys. Okay, so the next part, we're going to step this leg here out, and we're going to shoot the arms out like this and look around us. So, you are all we need. Okay, the next words are, your love has set us free. So for this part, we're going to drop our hands again. We've got our feet out to the side. We're going to do another cross. So we go, your love with a fist has set, and then we're going to drop both arms and go round like this, us free, and a nice strong position here. Okay, so let's do the cross again. This arm first. Your love has set us free. Well done, everybody. Let's go from the top of the chorus to there. So we finished the verse like this, and now it's time for our 3 points. You are my freedom. We lift you higher, lift you higher. Your love, your love, your love, never ending. Oh, oh, oh. You are alive in us. Nothing can take your place. You are all we need. Your love has set us free. Well done, everybody. Whew, I'm quite out of breath, you know. Okay, so we have finished here. 3, and then we're going to do 2 little jumps backwards, and we're going to punch our hands forward like this for whoa, whoa. Okay, should we try that all together? So we finish like this. 3, 2 little jumps backwards. Ready? Whoa, whoa. Well done. Okay, after that, we've finished here with our feet together and our fists like this. Then we're going to do a big jump out, and then we're going to do roly-polies with our arms like this. 2 claps. And then the other way. 2 claps. Well done, guys. Did you get that? Well done. If you need to rewind it and try again, then do so. And when you're ready, let's try the whole dance together from the top. Well done, guys. So brilliantly learning that dance, and I'm sure you all look fantastic. and I can't wait for your parents and friends and family to see your new dance routine, and hopefully see you guys again soon. Bye!
Here's what's coming up on the rest of the day here at J247 Day. At 3 o'clock, it's Pierre in the wild. Go outside and have an adventure with him. At 4 o'clock, what happens next with Beth? Get involved in this fun game. At 5 o'clock, we're going to be having a look at what it's like in United as we have a chat with Fraser. At 6 o'clock, we're going to go behind the scenes of J247 and look at how this whole day has come together just for you. Have a great day and thanks for joining us at J247 Day.